Yeah, against once again 23rd of November 2025. There's the P-40. It's like painted up in Flying Tiger scheme. And I think that's First Pursuit with the Apple. And I think it is an earlier one, Warhawk version, like a B or a C model P-40, and then an early model Wildcat, like those early war paint jobs, a bright paint. It's another view of this gallery. I'm not sure what the one next to the Wildcat is. I think it's a predecessor. Also a Grumman aircraft. And that area with the Skyhawks and the Blue Angels scheme, they had some trainer aircraft. I think that's what the Air Force called the Texan. And that's like what they call Stearman. All the Navy has different names for them.